To install applications, locate the App Store icon on the home screen and tap on it. You'll find 2 app stores available. We need to enter the Android App Store. Find Blue VOD V6 for movies and TV series. Next, install Blue TV V6, and confirm the installation. Blue TV provides access to live TV channels. Then, proceed to install the Playback app, which offers access to popular TV channels from the past 7 days, including major TV news channels and all sports channels. You can explore and install other apps by clicking on them one by one. Once all apps are installed, return to the home screen. Navigate to Live TV and select Blue TV to add it here. Similarly, place Blue VOD and Playback in their corresponding positions for easy access.